Starting my AMX project, finally. Moved back 4 months ago to start this project. Been very excited about it, but hadn't done anything for 40 years. And so I had the opportunity and started to painted 3 golf carts, a dashboard for a friend of mine on a 34 Ford. Kind of get my driving wheels back on for painting. I'd done it for 12 years in the past. Loved it. Gave up to another lifestyle. Now in retirement. I have the garage. I have the car. Now I have the tools. And I have the experience to do this project. So finally, we're starting on it. I love this car. Under the hood was never done, so it was all the original Big Bad Green. Again, the troughs. Paint as a whistle. And here's the reason why. Georgia, 1969 plate. I think it was Abraham Lincoln that said, if you're going to have a tree cutting contest in an hour, you want to spend the first 50 minutes sharpening the saw. That's the same thing, I think, on a paint job here. If you want to get this product right, if you want to do the car right, spend extra time prepping it. Okay, 69 AMX right front fender preparation. We sandblasted around the seams. Got the little surface rust on the front. We'll POR 15 that. So how does it look to you? Does it look ready? Well, I want to point out some things that you want to make sure you get. And that is, if you look down in here, right there, right there, those are rust spots. So we need to take them all the way down to bare metal. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, right there. Oh, there you go, see it? Another thing, you don't want to go on your edge and gouge it out like that. You want to stay as flat as possible so everything gets feathered nice. Might be a little overkill, but I'm using this KBS clean. Cleaning down my fender. I have noticed it helps me see a couple little rust spots there. Little surface rust, little thing like there. That was kind of under that primer, so I'm going to redo it. And just wiping it down really helped me see that it was ready to be primed. It seems like a good step. So I was going to sandblast any rust on my doors on this 69 AMX, but as I look it over, and just to clarify, this is original Big Bad Green, and the second owner had painted it brown. So we're taking all the brown off. I am. You know, but as I look down in, this lower seam of underneath the door, it is just clean as a whistle. So a little stand and scuffle. I hope you found this video interesting. I'm just doing it for the fun of it, and I know I like seeing other projects, and I like learning little tips on how to do things. So I think about some of the things that I haven't been able to find out there, and that I've noticed as I've started this project. If there's anything in particular you'd like to see, let me know. You know, share this, give me some thumbs up if I'm not even sure what that involves, but I like to get this out to the AMC, AMX world, so we can enjoy this project of getting this original Big Bad Green AMX on the road again.